Cops need help to reunite Schoolboy with parents. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Andrew Central Police are seeking the public's assistance to locate the relative of a boy who was found wandering in Halfway Tree area in St. Andrew on Tuesday. The boy, who gave his name as Zafane Murray, his mother's name as Janet Campbell, and his father's name as Craig Murray. He also stated that he lives in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Anyone with information that can assist the police in reuniting Murray with his family is being asked to contact the Halfway Tree Police at 876-926-8184, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. During the publication of this report, Links 007 TV was reliably informed that contact was made with the parents of the boy. We have now been reliably informed that the boy has since been reunited with his family. In a brief statement, the police, who had earlier appealed for the public's help to reunite the boy with the relative, said that the boy is in good health. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.